Hi, Francis.
Hey, Tina.
So, what are we doing today?
Today we are finishing up my purse for my project, and today I did the straps.
See? You want to show what you did here compared what was the wrong when you did this one?
This one,
Yeah.
I didn't do measurements,
Uh-huh. But what about the strap?
and this one,
Yeah, what was it about the straps that you forgot to do versus that one?
I didn't flatten them down,
And you didn't turn them inside out.
and I didn't turn them inside out.
So you can see raw edge. This is what they look like. But because Francis did it all by herself, this is what we strive on this, don't we? We strive on you doing it by yourself versus now learning to do it the right way. And look how nice that strap is. And you top stitched it too.
I didn't top stitch that one.
So we're doing recycle project, right?
Mm-hmm.
Denim bag recycling. Awesome. Girl, how long have you been with me?
For 2 years, since I was 16.
And now you're graduating high school and going on and pursuing a career in fashion. So we've got the denim, and now you sewed that. And now what do we have to do?
We have to put on the straps.
Yep.
So that way I can be able to turn this inside out so I can sew on the inside of the bag.
Which is the lining, correct?
The lining.
So let's pin, and we'll continue to follow you. Aren't you excited? She's graduating. 2 years ago when you first came to me. Lots happened, huh?
I know. A lot has happened in 2 years, and I'm already 18. It's crazy that I'm graduating. I'm nervous, but I'm excited, but I can't wait to continue in this industry. Some of the stuff that they're teaching in college, I already know already, so it's going to be a little awkward.
No, it's going to be good for you. You'll be like acing it. Straight A student. You see? It's good to start early, isn't it?
It is good to start early.
Oh,
So
you're
I'll be a little ahead, but I still have lots more to learn.
Oh, yeah, absolutely going to be learning a lot more stuff. And then you can combine the two, and you'll be very successful in your career in the fashion field.
I can't wait.
I'm excited for you. It's so excited. All right, everybody, continue to follow Francis. Ciao.